this wood's got a bend in it. Bends that way. And I need it pressed up against the fence, so I'm going to cut it that way. Really, I'd prefer the face against the fence, but I can't. So that's good. A little bit of play in it, but not much. Getting to like this little saw. It'd probably been easier to rip this tongue off, but I wasn't thinking about that. But now, carpet's in the way. So I'm going to give it a little rebate on there. A rabbit. About 10mm thick, 10mm deep, and about the thickness of the carpet. I'll work that out. Right, so I'm just going to go in that far. A bit of carpet's a bit threadbare, this bit's a bit better. So I reckon probably only about as thick as that is off there. So that one doesn't need to be much. Right, I don't want the blade right up to my fence. There's only a couple of mil there, so I'm going to rip it down this way, like that. Went a fraction deep, but it don't matter. I'm just going to trim the carpet back a fraction. I've got my staple gun. I've got to attach the bit of carpet at the bottom of the stairs there. Perfect. Right, I'll get some varnish on this, and I'll put some staples in this carpet, stop it walking. If I can get it out again. I quite like this stuff. It's quite thin. You can water it down a bit so you can spray it, and it dries quite fast. Wait for that to dry. Got another one there for top of the stairs there. I'm just going to screw it down. Could put plugs in, could get some ochre coloured filler, but these little gold screws don't show up too much. Once these have had a couple of coats, they'll be very similar colour to this. I don't know what this is. This is American white oak that I'm using. Like I say, a couple of coats it'll go golden. This is a different piece. See the colour difference? Right, I made little marks where the old matwell was. So we talked about this. Central to here is then wrong when you open the door, so we decided to go centre to this, or about there anyway. So when you walk in, see, centre to the room would be more like that. That's what we're going to do. Right, everything's parallel, and I'm working off the square to get it right, so they should just be 45 degrees. So that's lucky. I can't film it because I can't have the door open. can't see where the blade finishes. Right. Oh, couldn't see where the blade finishes, so I'll finish these corners with noisy saw. Right, I'll need to pack this up, cut the trim. Right, I'll cut that bit of flooring so it fits in there. Put it that way up so the mat don't slide around on it. It's slidey, shiny. It's a fraction lower, but get my trim cut, put mat in, see what it looks like. Slightly out there. It's not too bad. I'm going to sand all these round anyway, so you'll get a line like that. Cool. It needs to come up a little bit, maybe flush with this. I'm putting biscuits in the ends, gluing it together. Right, I'm going to leave that to dry overnight. Just need to wipe off some of the glue. Hopefully it doesn't stick itself down.